Joy Jagannath, dear parents, guardians, and my dear students. It is a matter of a great pleasure for me to introduce you all to our concept, Bapis English. Actually, it is Bapis English Academy, and main vision of this one is to provide our rural people, students, particularly little charms as well as the aspiring students, a great platform and opportunity so that they can get all success in their life. Our students, they are struggling hard more to get success, but what is happening most of the time, they don't have that opportunity or scope. Either they have to leave their place to go to other places like Bhubaneswar or any other places to continue their education. So I think that during this pandemic period, as everybody is staying at home, and nowadays we have we have tuned to a new educational system, that is online teaching. So online teaching has its own merits also. Now you can stay at your home with the safety of your home. You can continue your education. So, in order to fulfill all your goals, give you an ample opportunity or golden opportunity. mm, this concept is here, and you will learn it, you will go through it. Now I will introduce you about all the course features, its duration as well as its price. You will be quite shocked at a so minimum price. It is a you can think that it is an opportunity for you. So if you are wise enough, you should join with us, and you should we will help you to flourish in your life. Okay, so now you come. First one is our little champs. Just a minute. Okay, now I am going to introduce you our courses. So first one is Little Champs, and it will from 3 years to 9 years. As you all know, we here in our city, in our locality, there is little scope for our little ones to read in convent schools or English medium schools. Oh, what is the result? Result is that when they grow up, they pass matric level, they go to college. If they prefer science, they will find everything in English medium. So they could not cope up. If we will provide them English here, education in English, they will be introduced with English. Then they can make a friendship with English, and English will be very familiar to them, and definitely they will compete with other students in a world of competition. So you look here, we have given introduction to alphabets with the help of a picture. So it will be very friendly to students, little ones. They will be introduced with the English alphabets, English rhymes, and able teachers are there. They will make them fluency. They will take care of their word power, and they will also uh, give special focus, special care on their word formation, their spelling, their familiarity with English things, fruits, flowers, animals, birds, everything. They will make friends with those things. Then we have this one, basic English, and this is from 10 years onwards. and anyone of any age also can join in this course. So this is our basic English, and from 10 years onward anybody can prepare for it. Here we will provide formation of a sentence. Sometimes it is as a teacher we see that students they are committing mistake here in formation of a sentence. So here we will train them. We will make them able to know how to form a sentence properly. All the basic grammars like subject, verb, predicate, sentence, object, all the part of a speech, tense, everything we will provide here. Word familiarity will be given upgraded wordings. Then here we will introduce them writing, like writing of a short stories, poems, essays, application, in order to enhance their creative ability. So it will help them in their future, and particularly those who are preparing for competitive exams, they can be helpful for this. Then this comes advanced English. Here we will give complete solution of English grammar, and it is of upgraded level and of up-to-date grammars, like error detection part you will find in exams, in various competitive exams there will be some lines, and they will more tell you to pick out the errors. Then sentence transformation from assertive to interrogative, assertive to exclamatory, imperative. So in this way we will teach them. Also we will try to make their vocabulary, strengthen their vocabulary so that they can taste the real delicacies of English. And here we will also uh, train them to write paragraphs, synonyms and antonyms, single words. All these things will be taught here in advanced English. Idioms, phrases, uh, figure of speech, everything we will provide them. And you can see the course fee is very minimal, that is 400, and if you split this 400 it will be 13 per day, 13 rupees for your career. So you can think whether you can offer it or not. It is like an opportunity knocking at your door. If you are wise enough, if you are clever enough, if you are optimistic, then you need to grab it. Then this is advanced English. Okay, after advanced English, now we are moving towards communication. As you all know, this is the time of a communication in WhatsApp, in Instagram, Facebook, everywhere you need to know the communication over phones, and nowadays also communication is the key which connects you to the world, to the real world. If you knows everything, if precious words in vocabulary, but you don't have the knowledge to converse it, to make it use, then it will be useless. So how can you converse, how can you bring your intelligence through your mouth? It depends, and communication is the skill which connects you to the outer world. So always try to make it more perfect. If a person, particularly as we are non English speaking region we are living, we are Odias, our mother tongue is Odia, we are very much familiar with Odia, and we are also fluent in Hindi. But when it is time of English, we face the real problem. That's why we will give complete emphasis on this communication. And those who are going to get jobs, those who are thinking jobs, you should take it very seriously. Okay, and here you will find interactive English lesson, Then public speaking, which is most important. You know English, you can write English, but if you lack this skill, if you can't speak publicly, then it will of no use. Nobody can know about your knowledge. You will not moving with your certificates that I have earned this one, that one, that one. So you will be assessed according to your communication. There will be peer interaction, means peer, your friends, there will be group. We will it will be designed in such a way that within very short period of a time you will be a good speaker in English. There will give you scope for debate. We will take care of your fluency. Then we will take care of your personality development. There you will find group discussion. And most attractive thing is here that we are going to have teachers from other parts of the world, from other countries like Indonesia, countries like America, even America. Some we are communicating them, and they have also nodded. They will join with us, and we will take care of all your problems here. And the price, if you will go through the price, it is very negligible, 13 rupees, 15 rupees per day. So you know what is the value of all these things. And if you learn it, if you are sincerely going through it, if you practice it in your day-to-day life, then maybe in your exam, maybe in your life, maybe in your professional sector, definitely you will be benefited. So don't haste, because opportunities never come twice. So if you are wise, grab it. Go, get, and grab the opportunity. Thank you all, and I hope you will all join these courses. Here we will cover all competitive exam courses. Special classes will be provided for CT, B.Ed, OSTT, and CTT, and we will give special emphasis on the upcoming exams like RI, OMINA, Police SI, Army, etc. Whatever the exams will come, you will be prepared for that, and definitely you will be overflowing with the confidence because of your knowledge. So I hope you will all get all these benefits. Everybody can get this benefit. Our contact number is also there. You can contact us and join as soon as possible. Thank you.